You look very familiar to me. It might be cosmic years, thousands of years. Ding dong. Now I am. Ding dong. Hello. Oh, I love your coat. That's very pretty. Oh, thank you. That's my baby. Oh, this is like a warm kitty. It's sadly like my kitty that long died. Can I just rub my face on it just a little? Oh, thank you. Oh, it's hard to leave love. But everything good passes. Thank you for allowing me to touch your coat.
Oh, just you.
We're gonna have a special gathering. Oh, and we have video. There's a lion. Welcome. Welcome, friendly people, to Comet Pizza and Ping Pong. It's a wonderful day, the special day in January. It is the day of the birth of our Lord. Sasha, Lord. Sasha, you're here. And we've all come together to celebrate the birth of our Lord. It wasn't Christmas. No, it's today. If you are like me, you love Sasha. Or if you don't, you want perks from her. Things like free pizza, or booze, or chapstick. Do you have chapstick? I've never asked it. You've given me yoga shirts, and that's great. And then I return them soaking wet and just leave them on the floor like a real bitch. I'm sorry. I never said sorry about that. This is ad-lib, I'm sorry again. I had a plan, but I just remembered the horrible things I've done. Well, have any of you enjoyed this special pizza here tonight called the Hottie? Or are you familiar with the Hottie if you didn't eat it? If you know the Hottie, you don't have to do anything grandiose. Just give me a little thumbs up if you know this Hottie. Just raise your hand a little. Okay, okay. And if you haven't had it, you should try it. It's delicious. Well, I unfortunately discovered a very unpleasant secret tonight. I wanted to know what the special secret ingredient was, because it tastes like nothing I've ever had before. And I snuck back into the kitchen. Nobody noticed me. Do you know what that secret ingredient is? It's fucking ketchup. Dude, it's not even hippie ketchup. It's shitty ketchup in packets. And you know where they get it? The goddamn Arby's on Rhode Island Avenue. Shit's nasty! Ketchup? No, that's cool. Sasha, I wanted to think about a few things that you brought to my life and brought to all the lives of the people here. And the first thing you might not know about Sasha is she's Russian. She's from Russia. Can you say Russia? So hard not to laugh. I'm serious, she's really a Russian. Well, this has gone back generations of her being Russian. So, her great-grandfather, Misha, was Russian too. And you might not know this. Sasha has brought all of you together tonight. Misha ended the Cold War. He didn't do it by a forced means. There was no hippie circle or ring around the rosy, US is happy, Russia loves you. No, he invented something. Something that we all can relate to. Misha Lord, Sasha Lord's great-grandfather, invented something called Russian dressing. You put it on a salad. What, salad's too good for you? Fuckers. Suck it. Shit. Salad dressing. End of the Cold War. There's another something that Sasha has done for me. This is me personally. 6 years ago, before Facebook, I figured I was infertile. Barren. So I asked Sasha to carry my baby. And you know what? She did it. At first, I was alarmed. I was a little worried. I was like, okay, she's Russian. She might sell it for vodka and soft toilet paper. But no, she didn't. She held on to that child all the way to the end. And the fucked up thing was really, it was after it was born. I had to put that shit down. Euthanasia. You wanna know why? It came out really tiny. It didn't have any hair. And it had this rope thing coming out of its stomach. It's fucking cord. I was like, is this what happens with Russian babies? And it kept saying, gaga, and I was like, all this noise. Oh, this is Russia reunion.
It's a reunion. Yeah. No.
Yes. And you're a Superman.
I am.
Oh, I love superheroes. Is your cape in the trunk of your car?
Oh, come on.
What's wrong with capes?
I didn't have it.
Okay, tomorrow. If you need to borrow one, I have a few extra. I don't know you, but you seem pleasant. That's good. I like pleasant. Well, okay, let's talk about just a few more wonderful things about Sasha, and then we're gonna get on with some music. Sasha also does community service. How many of you guys are sensitive? Like you get offended easily? I think it's too late. I'm just gonna have to roll with this one. Any of you guys know someone by the name of Stuart Lupton? I mean, this might only be for her. Okay, so she does community service. If Stuart shows up at your house and starts reading you poetry, it means he's gonna spill your shit. If you call 1-800-SASHA-SAVES, she'll drive up to your house, she'll throw the fucker in the trunk of her car and drop him back on the mean streets of Chevy Chase. She's good. Committed to the end. Well, tonight, she booked some K-holes. You guys stoked for the K-holes? I am. I know the soundtrack. And the weird thing is, though, when I went backstage to see the K-holes, all I saw were tranny gypsies and some mongoloid manhandlers. No, that was just me. My family, everybody's family. Oh, this feels so good. You just keep touching yourself. Sasha, you brought so much to all of our lives, and I honestly think this is the truth. You might have been the first person I started being nice to. I don't know why. You're just that awesome. And I want to finish up by just saying thank God that Thievery Corporation isn't playing this week. Because that shit's weak. But they couldn't, because Hilton was busy tonight. He's opening an authentic Panda Express down on U Street. No, it's authentic. He got some indigenous Amazonians to come in to play a dubbed out pan flute. Fuck. No, yeah, it's like me and then it's it. That's how it works. Okay. How many of you guys, this is it, this is the last part. But what do you hate more than anything when a band says to you, oh, we have 2 more songs, thanks for coming out tonight. Do you hate that? I do. I've played like 600 shows, I've probably seen 2,000, and nothing bums me out more. I'm not violent, but that makes me want to punch him in the throat. Stop. Don't do that. Don't do that. And if they looked better, I don't know, just dressed up. You guys know the song The Gambler? On a warm sunny evening, on a train bound for nowhere. Oh shit, are you single? No, your hair is really short. I'm just kidding, no. That meant a lot to me. Alright. We're just gonna go for the end, the theme, the chorus. You guys know it? Just give me the rhythm. You got to know when to hold on. Know when to fold on. Know when to walk away. Know when to run. You better count your money. When you're sitting at the table, there'll be time enough for counting. When the deal is done. Sasha, lesson to you. Never count your money at the table, girl. You take that band money and you run! Where are you? Happy birthday, Sasha. Happy birthday, Sasha Laura. Happy birthday. You're awesome. I love you. I love you. She's awesome. Okay, up next, we have Ian. Ian. Praise trees. You can't use this. Sorry, this is mine.